Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Selenium for advanced architecture. So here we have different layers like client layer, Selenium client libraries, WebDriver API, browser driver layer and target browser. So what happens in client layer? Here is when we are writing the code like Selenium Java code, Python code or JavaScript code. And the Selenium client libraries, it has the language specific client libraries like Selenium Java or Selenium Python. For JavaScript, it has a Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So what happens is when we writing the code, we are calling the Selenium APIs. Selenium APIs like driver.get, driver.find element. Okay. So this client libraries will will call those Selenium APIs and converts them into WebDriver commands. And then what happens next is here the WebDriver API, it has been standardized defined using the W3C protocol. Here is when they have defined the standard error codes, element IDs and session handling. All this has been defined in a very standard way. So this Selenium client libraries calls the Selenium APIs and convert them into WebDriver commands, and it will follow all the standardization process. Okay. And then what happens is this browser driver layer, this is also defined using the W3C standard. It will receive those WebDriver commands over HTTP and then converts them into the native browser actions, which the browser can understand. So the Selenium cannot directly interact with the browser. It has to interact with the browser using the browser driver layer. It will convert the WebDriver commands into the native browser actions. Then the browser receives the commands and perform actions like clicking, typing, scrolling and everything. And then from browser driver layer, it will send the response again to the Selenium. So this is what happens within the Selenium architecture. I think you all understand. So we'll see further more concepts in the future video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.